Battery modules from Phoenix Contact are optimally tailored to your UPS solution. LED AGM battery modules are real all-rounders and are easy to handle. They communicate directly with the UPS and enable predictive maintenance thanks to IQ technology. Lithium iron phosphate battery modules are characterized by their lightweight and high cycling stability. Pure lead AGM battery modules are particularly suitable for wide temperature ranges and can be stored for a very long time without recharging. Special accessories enable a wide range of possible applications.